When people see me at the dress like this, they go to ask me, see this guy, this kind of person, they wear this kind of dress, they sell. I only agidi wey dem put for leaf. People see am as local food, but me, I dey do am so that anybody wey see me go like to chop my agidi because of say my agidi dey like me. My name na Moses Etengubi, I be 22 years old. And na me be the only qualified, recognized, educated agidi person where they sell educated agidi for Akwa Ibom State. Not only educated agidi, or educated agidi that gives starch, which is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates in collaboration with other nutrients, such as protein, fat, and oil, mineral salts, and vitamins. So in other words, we call it balanced diet. As I dey, my agidi na educated, and educated in everything. You talk about the test, e dey. You talk about my dressing, e dey. Even the way me and the talk say. I don't do this agidi since 2018. I've been the dress casual back then. So this year, now I can't start to the dress like this. Why I dey dress and like this? Be say I don't grow, and my branding need to grow. When my business begin grow, now I can't use English carry the market my agidi. So today I can't give my agidi a name educated. So and when I don't do this thing, I can't see say as my business they grow. Now so my English they grow, and I can't look myself. Even the English when I speak, no match my dressing. No be say I know the dress well. Now I can't make determination one day I enter market, I go buy shoe, carry come. And that day was on Friday. I go iron my clothes. Monday, now I start carry my dressing wear. All waiting I been dey find be say if I speak my English with my dressing go well. You know say when you go well, people go be attracted. This agidi is good for you. Once you eat it, it will smoothen your skin. The first day wey I dress like this enter market, shame bin catch me o. My neighbor say dem come begin laugh me, and even when I don enter road, people dey look me but I come tell myself say something wey dey give me money, why I go shame? So I no need shame because na me dey feed myself, nobody dey feed me. So I need do anything wey you know say e dey give you money, no, you don't need to shame. You understand? And when thing I come see be say as my market come dey grow, and that my dressing come bring more customers. Now I say make I begin to dress like I can't enter market, I go buy more, because that time when I start to I know too much get money, but I can't see say the dressing they bring more customers, and don't more customer more money. I go if you go my house there you go see I get them plenty, and anyone what I like now I go dey wear. At this place now be the hardest part where they ever feel, because of say I no get people where they work for me. And this agidi wey you see so e dey take me many times before I dey finish to prepare cook am. Na the only challenge when I dey get for the business. So before you go finish to cook am, no be small thing. This is my 13 years when I don sell agidi. I use 10 years serve my aunty since 2008 till 2018. Now I come comot, I come go start my own. As I start my own, the first challenge when I start my own, after 1 month, my aunty daughter she come see me for road where I dey sell agidi, carry my agidi pour for ground, tell me say I no go make am. Me, although say I cry I can't even I be won't even discouraged, but I say oh, no, I no go dey discouraged, say I must make am. And today God they bless me. My vision now to become the first corporate agidi seller in the whole world, with branches all over the world, where big people fit come buy my agidi, because of say I won't become the face of agidi in the world.